still charging $3,000 a day for AI training while competing against every free YouTube video and TikTok out there. Yes, we need to talk. I just got off a call with Mary. She's an AI consultant. She's been doing this for about 2 years now. She's making okay money, but she's training corporate teams. And she said something that really struck a chord with me. There's so much free content. We're basically competing with that. And she's not wrong. Every single day, more free AI videos flood the internet. And what's she doing? She's charging day rates and competing on knowledge instead of outcomes. Here's the myth that's killing most AI consultants right now. I need to teach people how to use AI or AI tools. Wrong. Clients don't want to learn ChatGPT, insert whatever platform you're on. They want results from the platform, maybe ChatGPT, Claude, whatever. Mary told me how she spends hours staying current with all the tools. I rebuild the same solution 5 times, she said. Why? Because the tech keeps changing. But while she's busy rebuilding, her clients keep asking the same question. How do you solve this specific problem? They don't care if you use ChatGPT, Claude, Gemini, or a magic wand. They care about one thing, the outcome. This is where productization changes absolutely everything. Because instead of selling training, you sell solutions. Let me break it down for you. The training model. One day, $3,000. They learn tools. You compete with YouTube. They maybe implement it, and that's a big maybe. The productization model. 3-month retainers, $5,000 per month. You deliver the outcome. You compete with results. Implementation is your problem, not theirs. And here's the kicker. Mary said her clients buy content generation at different levels, but she's teaching them how to do it instead of just doing it for them. Imagine this, the Content Multiplier System. Instead of saying, I'll train your team on AI writing, you say, I'll 10x your content output in 90 days. The package, custom prompt libraries for their industry, automated content workflows, built-in quality control, monthly strategy calls. Same effort, way better packaging. And the value skyrockets. Mary could use her automation background, pick one industry and become the content automation specialist, for example, real estate agents or manufacturers, whatever that links to your background or your network. It doesn't really matter. Just pick one. Here's why it works. Instead of competing with free videos, you're competing with doing nothing. Instead of teaching ChatGPT, you're delivering business results. Instead of one-off training or a one-off training day, you're building an ongoing relationship. And the proof? Mary told me I'm behind where I thought I'd be after 2 years. Why? She's stuck in the training trap. Now, contrast that to Simon. He used to sell $2,000 retainers a month on a project base. We reframed his offer, the revenue acceleration system, and he landed a $500,000 deal with the exact same client. It was just different packaging. I got him to look at it in a different way. Now, you might be thinking, but Paul, what if the clients want to do it all themselves? Great question. Here's what Mary found out. Even after she trains people, they take little pieces and then just go back to what they were doing beforehand. Why? Because changing habits is really, really hard, as you know. And if you're paying someone, either way, what's the motivation to actually change? But here's the deal, none of this works if you're still trying to be everything to everybody. So here's the call. The AI consultant space, it's getting crowded every day. New experts show up. You can keep competing on knowledge, fighting for those $3,000 training gigs or whatever you're paying or charging per day, while YouTube gives it all away for free, whether it's YouTube or TikTok. Or you can productize, pick a niche, solve one problem, charge for outcomes, not education. I've got a video that shows you exactly how to do it. You'll learn the productization framework. It's hard to say, but it's great when you learn it. That takes you from competing with YouTube to delivering results no one else can touch. Click the link in the description. You'll see how to package your AI expertise into high value retainers, just like Mary could, and like hundreds of other consultants that have already done it. Stop teaching, start delivering. The link's below. Watch it now.